Welcome to the letter quiz. Today we have 26 questions for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Can you guess all 26? Let's go. What are these golden, crispy, deep-fried rice balls from Southern Europe, typically filled with ragu peas and cheese? The correct answer is arancini. Arancini are a traditional Sicilian street food that originated in Palermo during the 10th century. These savory rice croquettes are a beloved comfort food throughout Italy and the Mediterranean. Which Middle Eastern pastry dessert consists of layers of phyllo dough, nuts, and honey syrup, originating from Ottoman cuisine? The correct answer is baklava. Baklava is a beloved dessert across the Middle East, Mediterranean, and Central Asia, with origins dating back to Ottoman times. The delicate pastry layers and sweet honey coating make it a timeless treat. Which flaky, crescent-shaped pastry with hundreds of buttery layers is a staple of French breakfast culture? The correct answer is croissant. The croissant is an iconic French pastry that actually has Austrian origins, inspired by the kipferl. It became synonymous with French bakeries and is enjoyed worldwide as a breakfast or snack item. What is the traditional Cantonese dining experience, featuring small portions of steamed or fried dumplings and other bite-sized dishes served with tea? The correct answer is dim sum. Dim sum originated in southern China during the Tang Dynasty and became a social dining tradition in Cantonese culture. The name translates to touch the heart and typically involves selecting from trolleys of small dishes. What is this stuffed pastry pocket filled with meat, cheese, or vegetables that is popular throughout Latin America and Spain? The correct answer is empanada. Empanadas are a versatile street food found across Spanish-speaking countries, with regional variations in fillings and preparation methods. The name comes from the Spanish verb empanar, meaning to wrap in bread. Which deep-fried ball or patty made from ground chickpeas or fava beans is a staple vegetarian protein in Middle Eastern cuisine? The correct answer is falafel. Falafel is a beloved street food across the Levant and Middle East, offering a protein-rich vegetarian option. Despite its widespread popularity, the exact origins are debated between Egypt and the Levantan region. What are these Japanese pot stickers or dumplings typically filled with pork and vegetables, often served pan-fried as an appetizer? The correct answer is gyoza. Gyoza were adapted from Chinese gyoza dumplings and became a popular Japanese appetizer and comfort food. They are traditionally served with a dipping sauce made from soy sauce, vinegar, and chili oil. What is this creamy Middle Eastern dip made from blended chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic? The correct answer is hummus. Hummus is a staple in Levantan cuisine and has become popular worldwide as a healthy, protein-rich dip. The name comes from the Arabic word for chickpea, and it has been consumed in the Middle East for centuries. What is this spongy, fermented flatbread from East Africa that serves as both plate and utensil in traditional meals? The correct answer is injera. Injera is a cornerstone of Ethiopian and Eritrean cuisine, made from teff flour and fermented for several days to develop its characteristic sour taste. It functions as both a serving platter and edible utensil. What is this vibrant, one-pot rice dish, cooked with tomatoes, peppers, and spices that is beloved across West Africa? The correct answer is jollof rice. Jollof rice is a signature dish throughout West Africa, with each country claiming its own traditional version. The dish is known for its distinctive reddish color from tomatoes and its festive presence at celebrations and family gatherings. Which Middle Eastern dish consists of meat cooked on a vertical rotating spit and typically served in flatbread? The correct answer is kebab. Kebab is a popular meat dish originating from the Middle East and Turkey, traditionally cooked on a vertical spit called a döner. It has become a beloved street food worldwide. Which Italian pasta dish features layers of noodles, meat sauce, and cheese baked in the oven? The correct answer is lasagna. Lasagna is a classic Italian dish made with layers of flat pasta sheets, ragu sauce, and bechamel or ricotta cheese. It originated in the Emilia-Romagna region of Italy. Which traditional Japanese soup is made from fermented soybean paste and typically served as a starter? The correct answer is miso soup. Miso soup is a staple of Japanese cuisine, made by dissolving miso paste in dashi broth. It often contains tofu and seaweed and is commonly served at breakfast. Which Mexican appetizer consists of tortilla chips topped with melted cheese, jalapenos, and various toppings? The correct answer is nachos. Nachos are a popular Mexican-American dish created in the 1940s by Ignacio Garcia. They feature crispy tortilla chips loaded with cheese, beans, and spicy peppers. Which Japanese rice ball is typically filled with salmon, pickled plum, or other ingredients and wrapped in seaweed? The correct answer is onigiri. Onigiri, also known as omusubai, is a Japanese rice ball that serves as a portable, convenient meal. It can be filled with various ingredients and is popular for lunch boxes and picnics. Which Spanish rice dish is cooked in a wide, shallow pan and traditionally includes saffron, seafood, and vegetables? The correct answer is paella. Paella originated in Valencia, Spain, and is known for its golden color from saffron. It's traditionally cooked in a paellera pan and is a symbol of Spanish culinary heritage. Which savory French tart consists of a pastry crust filled with a custard mixture of eggs, cream, and meat or vegetables? The correct answer is quiche. Quiche is a classic French dish that became popular worldwide. It features a buttery pastry crust filled with a savory egg and cream filling, often with bacon, cheese, or vegetables. Which Japanese noodle soup dish consists of wheat noodles served in a rich broth with toppings like pork, egg, and green onions? The correct answer is ramen. Ramen is a beloved Japanese dish with origins tracing back to Chinese cuisine. It features springy wheat noodles in a flavorful broth, topped with various ingredients, and is enjoyed worldwide. Which Japanese dish features vinegared rice topped or wrapped with raw fish, vegetables, and other ingredients? The correct answer is sushi. Sushi is a traditional Japanese cuisine that combines seasoned rice with fresh seafood and vegetables. It's an art form with various styles including nigiri, maki rolls, and sashimi. Which Mexican dish consists of a corn or flour tortilla filled with seasoned meat, vegetables, and toppings like salsa and guacamole? The correct answer is tacos. Tacos are a staple of Mexican cuisine with ancient origins dating back to the Aztec civilization. They remain one of the most popular street foods and casual meals worldwide. Which thick Japanese noodle dish is typically served in a savory broth and is made from wheat flour? The correct answer is udon. Udon is a staple of Japanese cuisine, featuring chewy wheat noodles served in a hot broth with various toppings like vegetables and proteins. Which fiery Indian curry dish, originating from Goa, is known for its intense heat and complex spice blend? The correct answer is vindaloo. Vindaloo is one of the hottest Indian curries, featuring a rich sauce made with chili peppers, vinegar, and spices, traditionally prepared with meat or seafood. Which Chinese dumpling is typically filled with pork or shrimp, wrapped in a thin wheat wrapper, and often served in soup? The correct answer is wonton. Wontons are a popular Chinese dim sum item consisting of a savory filling wrapped in a delicate square wrapper and traditionally served in a clear broth. Which Shanghai specialty is a small steamed bun filled with pork and a rich, savory broth that bursts when you bite into it? The correct answer is xiaolongbao. Xiaolongbao, also known as soup dumplings, are delicate bamboo-steamed parcels from Shanghai featuring a thin wrapper encasing meat filling and aspic that liquefies into broth when heated. Which Japanese grilled chicken skewer dish is marinated in a sweet and savory sauce and traditionally cooked over charcoal? The correct answer is yakitori. Yakitori consists of bite-sized pieces of chicken threaded onto skewers and grilled, typically basted with a glaze made from soy sauce, sugar, and mirin, creating a caramelized exterior. Which Italian dessert is made by whisking egg yolks with sugar and marsala wine over gentle heat until light and fluffy? The correct answer is zabaione. Zabaione is a classic Italian custard dessert with a rich, creamy texture, traditionally served warm or chilled with fresh berries or ladyfinger biscuits.
If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.